Welcome to this installation of the series where I show you how to use SmartClause to get the most out of your legal practice. In this installation, I'll be walking you through how to generate an agreement from scratch using the platform so you can see how easy and fast it is. Let's get started. On successful sign-in, you will be redirected to the Matters page where you can manage and view your matters. When you want to create a new document, you click this chevron, which will open up the sidebar. You come and click New Matter button. You type in the details in the resulting form. You can start with the matter name. We'll do Eugene Saka. Next, you can type in the client's name. For this case, it will be Eugene Masaka. You get to pick which document type you want. So since we're doing a land agreement, we'll do agreement. But there are affidavits, wills, and power of attorneys too. You can then come and fill in the counterparty. That's the person on the other end of this deal. So I'll just go with John Doe. Internal references for internal record keeping so that you can easily reference certain documents or certain matters. So for this, I'll do LSA 13, which would be Land Sale Agreement number 13. When you scroll down the form, you get to see toggles where you can select the agreement type you want to create. For this, I'll do land sale agreement. You can scroll down and then you can come and fill in the details, which will be input into the document you're going to generate. We have the vendor name, which is Eugene. Vendor ID number, type that in. Purchaser name, do John Doe, that's the counterparty. Purchaser ID number, you can also fill that in. Property description, this describes the property, for example, where it's located, its size, the amenities that come with it, and probably if it has a lien on it. So we'll just do 0.3 hectares. Okay. Machakos. Let's just keep it simple for now because I just want to show you how you can generate a document. And then we'll do the LR number. Type in LR. You can do the plot number too, if that is applicable to your scenario. You do the area in acres or hectares. I'll do 0.3. The purchase price, this will be, let's do 4.5 as a hypothetical figure. And then the deposit amount, this is all standard like information in a land sale agreement. And then you can come and click the balance payment date. When will the balance that's left after the client has paid the deposit, when will that be paid up? Select the date. And then you select the date of giving possession of the plot of land. I'll just do that. Then you can scroll to the bottom, you click create and generate. If you scroll back to the top of the form, you will see creating matter and preparing document. So that means your document is being prepared and your matter has been created on the platform. If you click out the form, you can see your document has already started being generated. This is happening live. It's being streamed. As you can see, it's happening. So we'll just wait for it to finish drafting your document. So we've been redirected to the document editor page. But since we are on a trial subscription, that means that we can only download this document. But I'll show you the outcome. This is how the document looks. You can see it's well formatted. It leaves some space for whatever details we did not key in, but you might be able to edit it and put those in later. As you can see, the document is well structured, well drafted. You can see it's very comprehensive too. Scroll down to the bottom, see that it's a complete agreement, and it was only done in a matter of minutes. The document also comes with a disclaimer at the bottom, which requires the operator of this platform to make sure that this document goes through a review from a legal expert so that you don't miss anything, or that you are not liable for creating a document that does not meet the standards of the Kenyan judicial system. So you can export the document. As you see, there are buttons here below. If I click export, you can see my document has been exported and I can now view it. Well, that has been this installation of how to create a document using SmartClause. Thank you so much for giving me your time. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next installation. Thank you.